Hello everyone, and don't mind that. I don't really want to film a video of me playing more Minecraft, but well, the only views actually got me any views of my 2 views, my 22 views, but we playing TF2 and Roblox. Soon we'll be doing it, but I had more fun. The thump was quite odd, as I would say. How do I describe it? Not fun. I don't, but whatever gets me views is what's gonna make me keep going. I'm desperate, okay? Deal with it. But the second I hear some moving or something happens slightly other than gone. Gone. Instantly. Weird sound. Done. Because I'll damn. I'm here. If I die some stupid way. Some gooner eye monster. Also, mm, 2 subscribers and I made 4 videos. One day, 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago. Weird thump in Minecraft. Yeah, the weird thump. Also, I didn't mention this, but when I showed my dad the original video, I don't know. He said he saw something come down the mountain, so maybe there is a monster, I guess. Here's hoping it's not. It's they moved. Music is back. So.